Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Ikechi Onyenaka, and in today's video, we're going to be doing a saxophone tutorial for YAYA by 6IX9INE. This song is in concert C# minor, which is your B flat minor on alto saxophone. So first things first, in case you're new to the channel, my name is Ikechi Onyenaka. I'm an alto saxophonist, multi-instrumentalist, and performing artist from Upper Darby, Pennsylvania. And my goal on this channel is to become the next big music legend to make it out of the Philadelphia music scene. So I post vlogs, performances, concerts, song tutorials, covers, you name it. So if that interests you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So your first couple notes are B flat, C#, all right? And you're gonna bounce off of them. So it's gonna be like this. Next, you're gonna be playing F with the octave key, C, back to the F with the octave key, E flat, C# without the octave key. So altogether, this is how it sounds. Also, in case you're wondering, all of the equipment that I'm using for my saxophone for this video are listed down below in my video's description. Everything from my reeds, mouthpiece, ligature. Also, I believe my neck strap is in there too, so definitely check it out.
Okay.
Alright, so next I'm going to be doing a little bit of a freestyle for YAYA, so here we go. Make sure to check out my saxophone cover for YAYA. I'll leave the pop-up up above, and I'll also leave the link down below in the description. If you made it this far into the video, type inside the comment section ice cream. If you end up doing a saxophone cover for this, or whatever instrument you play, maybe you play clarinet, piano, whatever, make sure to tag me in your covers, alright? Tag me on Instagram. My Instagram and everything is down below inside the description and inside the video as well. So definitely tag me in your covers and I will repost you on my social media. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Make sure to follow me on social media. My links are down below in this video and I'll also leave them inside the description as well. You're also more than welcome to donate to my channel. It definitely helps out my channel. My Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal are down below in the description. Make sure to turn on the notification bell right next to the subscribe icon so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace!